Robert Walters' share price dropped today as it revealed a huge 23% dent to UK profits as a result of a rollercoaster year of political uncertainty in 2019. UK gross profit fell from £26.8 million in the fourth quarter of 2018 to £20.7 million in the corresponding period last year. Read more. Time too short for post-Brexit trade deal, warns EUOverall group profit fell 8% year-on-year to £94.2 million as Robert Walters saw declines in every market save Europe, where earnings rose 1% to £27.7 million. The Recruiter cited significant political and economic uncertainty, particularly in the UK. Speaking to City A.M, Chief Executive Robert Walters said, "We are rather like stock markets in that we don't like uncertainty. The fact there was a decisive result in the election is a good thing in itself. Brexit continues, of course, we haven't seen the end of that, but at least there seems to be a sense of direction." The recruitment company stuck to its full-year profit target, but that failed to stop investors, sending its share price down 10% to 524p in early trading. Walters warned that client and candidate confidence deteriorated in the UK due to the political uncertainty surrounding Brexit and the General Election. Both the FTSE 100 and sterling rebounded the morning after the December vote as it became clear that Boris Johnson had won with a large majority. But those trends then reversed as the Prime Minister doubled down on his commitment to quit the EU with or without a trade deal by the end of 2020. Today EU Chief Negotiator Michel Barnier echoed EU Commission President Ursula von der Leyen's warning that striking a trade deal by the deadline will prove impossible. Walters told City A.M that his firm is somewhat shielded from any negative Brexit outcomes by having a presence in cities like Paris and Frankfurt, if UK jobs move abroad. Besides what happens with Brexit, Walters added that China's trade war with the US will be a massive factor for the Recruiter's 2020 fortunes. If we see a glimmer of hope there, which we seem to be seeing, then I think that will have a big impact. Read more. Why Robert Walters was open to a no-deal Brexit outcome. As President Donald Trump is set to sign the first phase of a trade deal with China on the 15th of January that would see China lift its purchasing of US farm goods in exchange for lower tariffs. Chief Financial Officer Alan Bannatyne added, "If Trump signs a paper on the 15th of January, that's really good news for the jobs market." For more on this story, visit the news article link.